Hey guys, this is Dr. Scott Graves with TotalGutTransformation.com. I really believe that if we implemented Chinese medicine, it could save the entire health of this whole entire planet. Chinese medicine has been proven to work for thousands of years, and if we return to these basic principles of health and healing, we can definitely heal this planet. And a huge part of healing this planet is Chinese herbal formulas. Chinese herbal formulas have literally dealt with every conceivable symptom that you can imagine that people have dealt with throughout the millennia. And so I wanted to talk a little bit more about Chinese herbal formulas in this video. There's an old Chinese proverb that says this: "He that takes medicine and neglects diet wastes the skill of his physician." The modern translation to that would be this: you can take all the supplements in the world, you can even take lots of drugs from the pharmaceutical companies, but if you don't deal with your diet, you're not going to see the benefits of being healthy, because diet is the first part in Chinese medicine. It's the very first thing in Chinese medicine that we look to in order to help people heal. That's why we call this food therapy or diet therapy. So when you want to look to healing, you actually have to look to cleaning up the diet. It's super important. No supplement or drug can ever make up for having a healthy diet and making sure that your diet's super clean and headed in the right direction. Once we put in a good structure for diet and for good dietary practices, then we look to herbs. They can be a real powerful addition to helping you heal from all kinds of things. So, for example, in Chinese medicine, there's lots of herbs that dissolve nodules. You say, what's a nodule? Well, the Western equivalent to a nodule would be fibroids, cysts, and even tumors. The Chinese just housed them under one word and they called it nodules. Some really powerful herbs that help to deal with that, because you say, have people had cancer for thousands of years? Of course they have. Cancer's always been with us. And the Chinese definitely had some really powerful ways to help deal with the patterns that present, that lead to that. For example, another one is if you have PMS symptoms or, such as headaches, you get lots of cramping, your period's irregular, you get lower back pain. This is one of the most common things that affects women in our society today. And a lot of women don't know this, that you shouldn't really have hardly any symptoms. A symptom with regards to your period is your body's way of telling you that something is not balanced. And the Chinese had so many formulas to deal with all kinds of issues related to feminine health and regulating the period naturally. There are literally formulas for absolutely everything in Chinese medicine. So when we look at digestive health, there's one formula that I wanted to talk about. I could pick any, but there's a formula called Qing Wei San, which is known in English as clear the stomach formula. This is a formula that's specifically designed for a couple of symptoms. If you have bleeding gums or sores in the mouth, think herpes simplex, or if you have constipation or a burning in the chest, otherwise known as acid reflux, this is an incredible formula to help with dealing with those particular symptoms. It helps to cool the blood down and also drain heat from the body. And there are formulas for almost everything from a digestive capacity. So it doesn't matter if you have diarrhea, constipation, blood in your stools, pain anywhere in the digestive region, there is a Chinese formula out there that can help you to heal. And I'm fully convinced that if we started giving people this, we would see all kinds of rampant healing. And you don't see this a lot in the United States today. People kind of look down on the herbal medicine that's worked super powerfully for thousands of years. And so I get this skepticism all the time in the clinic, which is very normal in our society today. But the medicine speaks for itself, and I'm really excited when I get to work with people because they get to see the power of the medicine working for them as well. If you'd like to see Chinese herbal therapy work for you, please go ahead and give me a call or set up a consultation. I'd be happy to work with you with whatever kinds of health issues that you have. I'm really passionate about helping people to heal from their digestive issues. And as a result of that, I created a free 3-part video series that can help you maximize your digestion and really to help heal from your digestive issues as well. You can find this at www.totalguttransformation.com/free. All you have to do is put in your first name and your email address, and we'll go ahead and send that out to you right away. Otherwise, if you have enjoyed this video, please like it, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much for watching.